Hi, I'm Giacomo Piani from Serrametal, a company founded by my grandfather Bruno Vesca in 1862, which deals with the sectors of mechanical processing and carpentry, both light and heavy. From the experience derived in the production of windows and doors, and from our corporate mission of paying the utmost attention to safety, our system was created to give a solution to a very important problem. We are talking about the case of hopper and casement windows, which sometimes break and fall. This may happen due to various reasons: particular weather conditions, a frequent use of the window, slamming caused by the wind, or other types of accidents. The windows then break. Sooner or later, they come off and fall. This is inevitable. This happens all over the world. In fact, you just have to go on the net and type in the terms falling windows. You'll be astonished to see how many accidents occur every day, and maybe even close to you. The characteristics of this system are as follows. It's low cost, easy to install, it adapts to all new windows, but also to those already installed. Angelox is not just a great project, it's a really useful device that will prevent many accidents and save many lives. Angelox must be used, and this will be the task, responsibility, and also merit of every business owner or director of a public body.